Yes, Pranita, tell me. I have created this Google Ads account that day, and we have created 2 campaigns also. For which cities we have created campaigns? For Hyderabad and for Chennai we have created campaigns, I guess. Now I want to create a campaign for Bangalore also. How should I create a campaign? See, I have told you, right? Switch view option. Can you see the switch view option? Just click on this, your view will change. Sometimes when you log into your Gmail Google Ads account, directly this will appear. Now don't think where are my dashboards and everything. Just click on switch view. Everything will be here only. Just explore each and every option. You will only understand what is there. Now, Pranita, tell me, I have created Chennai and Hyderabad. Now I want to create Bangalore campaign. How should I create a Bangalore campaign? Where should I click on?
New campaign.
Yeah, new campaign. Do not select anything. Create a campaign without a goal. Then we are creating a search network advertisement. So click on search. Don't select anything. Click on continue. After clicking on continue, give some name over here. I'm giving Bangalore. Then, should I just scroll down or should I keep it like this or should I uncheck these options? Why should I uncheck these options? Always uncheck these options because by default, Google is a trustworthy platform, but still Google tries to take money as much as as possible. Google will try to take from the advertiser because by default, these 2 options are checked. That means your advertisement other than SERP, there is a chance that your advertisement will be available on, that means it will be showed on some other platforms also. That is the reason by default, Google will keep these 2 options as checked. Always remove these 2 options. If it is a very big company who have lots of budget, then they can keep this as it is. But if it's a small company or a medium scale company, please do not keep this as it is. Please uncheck these 2 options. Then we were here in locations. Don't select all countries. Again, Google is trying to take more money from the advertiser. Particular location. Now I want to target which city? Bangalore, I said, right? So Bangalore. So Bangalore, target. That's it. Now, if you want to do advanced search, that means you want to target radius and everything in Bangalore particular area, then you can just do it according to your wish. As of now, I'm not doing it. Then languages, English by default. If you want to select others, you can select, but it's not required. Daily budget. This is not my total budget. That means per day, 1,000 rupees will be deducted from my account. That's it. This is my daily budget. Then bidding. There are 2 kinds of bidding, as I have already told you, manual bidding and automated bidding. Earlier, Google would show manual bidding over here. That is the reason on that day I said, instead of getting confused whether this is manual or automated, just directly click over here and maximize clicks. See, maximize click, automated bid strategies, go for maximize clicks blindly because that is the best option. And give us that maximum cost per click bid over here. That means I'm giving 80. And now assume that there are 2 advertisers, advertiser A and advertiser B. I'm advertiser A and there is one more advertiser called B. Now assume that advertiser B has said that he'll be paying 81 rupees per click. Will Google take 82 rupees for me or will Google take only 80 rupees for me and keep it in the second position? Which one Google will choose? Google will try to take 82 rupees from me or, yeah, tell me, Pranita.
Only 80 it will take.
Yes, only 80. You have to compromise your position over here. You will be at second position, but Google will not take more than 80 rupees from you because you are setting a limit over here, maximum. This is not actual CPC. Actual CPC, Google will decide. You are just telling maximum CPC. That means from 1 to 80 rupees, how much ever you want, you can take. More than 80, you should not take. You are telling to Google. So again, extensions, leave it, show more settings. So now your campaign level is done. Now you have to go into the ad group level. Here I have to provide my services. I'm providing SEO. Then again, you have to give the services which you are providing. SEO courses in Hyderabad.
Vaishnavi?
Yeah.
What is the best way, like how much we should keep it as a CPC maximum?
See, in a keyword planner, you are going to learn tomorrow. You can see for which keyword, how much CPC is running, like how much the value for each keyword money you'll be able to see over there. According to that value, you can choose how much ever you want.
Okay.
For every CPC, there will be a value. There is a thing called keyword planner. So that is advanced search network. So when for every keyword, see, suppose for this keyword, now suppose monthly searches are more, then the value of that particular keyword will be more. that will be 150, 200, whatever it is. Then according to that, according to all the keywords, whichever you choose, you take the average CPC. That means suppose 100 is there, 150 is there, 120 is there, then take 100 as your maximum CPC. You have to, by seeing the keyword planner, choose whichever the average thing for which keyword, what is the value, you see the value. After that, take the average and just give the maximum CPC as that amount. That's it. And whenever you are creating a Google Ads account for whichever niche it is, first time when you're creating, lose your amount. For the first time when you're creating an Google Ads, take some 1,000 rupees as your budget, run an ad, see what is happening with that ad, see what people are searching, what are the search terms. I'll tell you how to see the search terms and everything. What are the search terms, which keywords you are getting more use, everything you can see. After that, next time you create a Google Ad, perfect campaign you create for the next time. You can even for the first time when you're doing experiment, schedule your ad from which timings, and suppose you want to showcase your ad from this particular timing to this particular timing. You want to showcase your ad from this particular day to XYZ day. Then you have to do all these things. For the first time, do every experiment. Lose some amount, no problem. 1,000, 2,000, you lose it. But the return on investment when you create a perfect ad, that will be more. So the first time, if you want to know what is the exact thing for each and everything, which keyword is working, which is the perfect ad schedule, what are the perfect timings, everything, then you have to lose the money for the first time. And the next time, you can choose whatever. You can run the ads with that experience. What happened? My spelling is wrong. Yeah. Now, SEO courses in Hyderabad, SEO training in Hyderabad. As of now, I'm not giving much keywords over here because however our topic is keyword match types. Then click on, if you want new ad group, then click on new ad group. Then again, create a new ad group for Google Ads and everything. As of now, I'm not creating any ad group. Save and continue. Then the last step, that is you have to create your advertisement. You have to give your website URL over here, give some headlines over here, and give some description over here. So as of now, I'm giving some final URL. Because ODMT hosting has expired, I'm taking yours. Copy, come back over here and paste it. See, there I have added the ad group, but I have not given any details over here. By default, it is telling ad group 2. Just don't do it, just cancel it. And here for SEO, I have to create it. Responsive search ad is nothing but, see, whatever ad you create, that will become a responsive search ad. That means you are giving n number of headlines over here, right? N number of descriptions over here. And Google will decide whichever the combination it should take. That is only known as responsive search ad, nothing new in it. So here I have to give for SEO, right? Final URL and choose some headlines over here. See, by default, Google is telling me to take some keywords. That is, I'm taking those. Assume that this is SEO. Sometimes they will, by default, they will tell you to take some headlines and descriptions. From your website, whatever the content is there, from that they will choose some words and they will tell you to take some descriptions and all. If you want to add more, you can add more. Yeah. See, make your descriptions more unique. This is checked. I have to add more headlines over here. So I'm adding more headlines. Okay, adding more headlines is done. Done. Save and continue. This is how you have to create a campaign. Your campaign can't serve until you fix the error issues. No traffic expected because you have not paid the billing. That is the reason it is selling. And ad group 2, Okay, because I have not given anything over here in ad group 2, it is telling me to give something. So let's give Google Ads. Create n number of accounts and do it, because again you can delete your accounts, no problem. Otherwise, create one account and do all the experiments over there, because live campaign should be perfect with good keywords and all. Explore, and that's it. Save and continue. Okay, see, for Google Ads now it is asking me. For SEO I have already given. Can you see over here the advertisement? Now for Google Ads I have to give something over here. So just copy and paste the URL. Again it is recommending me something. So I'll write learn Google Ads. Yeah, as of now, random headlines I'm giving. Don't give these kind of headlines. Okay. See how many headlines you can give? 15 headlines you can give. And it is best way to give those many headlines. Always give 15 headlines. And every word's first letter should be capital. Okay, as of now, these many I'm giving, and ad strength you can see over here, it's average. It's okay. Leave it. Okay, description also I should give, right? Let's give some description. Okay. Save and continue. Publish. Because I have not given billing details, it is telling like that, no worries. Still you can run your ads. Campaign submitted, ads can't be reviewed. Why your ads can't be reviewed? Because you have not paid the money. That's it. Now coming to the next topic, which is our today's topic. Keyword match types. This is important topic, very, very important topic. Keyword match types. Let's go to Paint. I'll write some keywords over here. Just give me some minute. Yes. Now, this topic is about keyword match types. Now, I have written some keywords over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Some keywords I have written over here. Now, you guys tell me when somebody has searched for this particular keyword called SEO course in Hyderabad. When somebody has searched for SEO course in Hyderabad, will my ad appear or not? Can anybody tell me? Somebody has searched SEO course in Hyderabad and I have choose the keyword called SEO courses in Hyderabad. We have mentioned keywords, right? When we have created ad groups, below that we have mentioned the keywords. For these keywords, my ad should appear. Now assume that you have chosen these keywords. Whatever the block we have used now, as of now, 2 keywords we have mentioned for Google Ads and 2 keywords for SEO. In that place for SEO, we have given these keywords. Just assume we have given these keywords. Now somebody has searched for this particular keyword on SERP because you never know how people are going to search. It is according to their wish how they are going to search. Now assume that you have targeted these keywords. That means you are telling to Google that when somebody searches for these keywords, I want my advertisement to appear. Now assume that some XYZ person has searched this particular keyword on SERP, SEO course in Hyderabad. Now you guys tell me, will my ad appear for this particular keyword or not? Somebody search for SEO course in Hyderabad, will my ad appear or not? SEO course in Hyderabad, somebody has searched SEO course in Hyderabad and I have given the keyword called SEO courses in Hyderabad. Will my ad appear? Yeah? Yeah, Pranita, will my ad appear?
Yeah.
Okay. Somebody has searched for SEO course in Hyderabad and I have given that I have targeted the keyword called SEO training in Hyderabad. Will my ad appear? There is a difference between course and training, right? Both words meaning is same, but the words are different. So tell me, somebody has searched SEO course in Hyderabad and I have targeted the keyword called SEO training in Hyderabad. Will my ad appear or not? Any guess, yes or no?
No.
No. Okay. Now somebody has searched for SEO course in Hyderabad and I have targeted the keyword called SEO course Hyderabad. Simple answers you give, yes or no? No need to think, huh?
Maybe yes.
Okay. Then for best SEO course in Hyderabad?
Yes.
Okay. Free?
No.
No. So for free, your keyword should know, your advertisement should not appear. So you are telling it will not. It's not like that. Okay. For SAP course in Hyderabad?
No.
Okay. Which is the best institute in Hyderabad for SEO course?
No.
No. But unfortunately, for all these keywords, your advertisement will appear. This is known as broad match. Broad match. If you use broad match, by default, Google will use broad match. Google is trustworthy platform, but whenever they get a chance to take money from the advertiser, 100% they will try to take money from the advertiser. So by default, Google will take broad match only. See, SEO course in Hyderabad. Even for SEO courses in Hyderabad also, my advertisement will appear. This does not matter. If SEO course and SEO courses, you are not at loss. Advertiser is not at a loss because if somebody searches for course or courses, his advertisement should appear. Google does a semantic algorithm. They follow semantic algorithm. What is semantic algorithm? Even for singular, plural, Google will adjust. And even for website designing, some people will call website designing, some people might call web design. So if you mention the keyword called web design and somebody is searching website designing, still your advertisement will appear. So Google follows this semantic algorithm. So for that is okay. So somebody searched SEO course in Hyderabad. For SEO courses in Hyderabad also, my ad will appear. That is correct. Then somebody searches SEO course in Hyderabad. For SEO training in Hyderabad also, my ad will appear. Because this is a broad match. Because this is a broad match, for this also, my ad will appear. But still, it is not any problem, right? For course or training, anyways, you are providing the same thing. So no problem, even if your ad appears. Now, SEO course in Hyderabad. Somebody is searching. Now, you have mentioned the keyword called SEO course Hyderabad and somebody, one second, you have targeted the keyword called SEO course in Hyderabad and somebody searching SEO course Hyderabad. Still, your advertisement is going to appear. Now, assume that you have targeted the keyword called SEO course in Hyderabad and Somebody is searching for best SEO course in Hyderabad, your advertisement will appear. For 1, 2, 3, 4, there is no problem. For courses, your ad is appearing, no problem. Training appearing, no problem. For course appearing, no problem. For best also, it is good only, so no problem. But the problem is, even if you target a keyword called SEO course in Hyderabad, still for free also, your advertisement is going to appear. This is the problem over here. You are not providing any free course, but still your advertisement is appearing for free SEO course in Hyderabad. What is a broad match is nothing but even if one word matches, see, this is your targeted keyword and somebody is searching like this, even if one word matches, your advertisement is going to appear. This is known as broad match. This is known as broad match. This is one of the keyword match types, and this is the first match type called broad match. Now, SEO course in Hyderabad. Technically, SAP is another course, but still, before on earlier days for SAP also, my advertisement would appear, but these days Google removed that kind of thing, and for SAP and these kind of things, my ad is not appearing. That means, see, now suppose digital marketing. Now assume that digital marketing course in Hyderabad you have targeted, and somebody starts searching online marketing also, your ad might appear. So whatever, now SEO, there is no link between SEO and SAP. That is the reason now these days my ad is not appearing for SAP. But in the earlier days, even if I have targeted the keyword called SEO course in Hyderabad and somebody is searching SAP, then also my advertisement would appear. But now Google has changed it like this. How they have changed it is something relevant to that particular keyword. Now, digital marketing, online marketing, something similar. So whichever the similar thing is there, my advertisement will appear. Now, which is the best institute in Hyderabad for SEO course? Again, my ad will appear. Broad match, by default, Google will take broad match, and this is one of the most useless match. Do not go for broad match. You will lose your money, because for every keyword your advertisement will appear. For many irrelevant keywords also your advertisement will appear. That is the reason Google will take that match only by default, but you have to be smart enough to not take broad match. Now, whatever the keywords we have mentioned, whatever the campaigns we have created till now, everywhere we have taken broad match. That is wrong way. You have to never ever take broad match, because you will be losing your money. Somebody is searching free SEO course, they will be clicking on my advertisement. My money only will go. So why to lose money? Do not go for broad match. SAP, nowadays my advertisement is not appearing, but earlier days for SAP also, if you target SEO course in Hyderabad, for SAP also, my advertisement would appear. At that time, there is no relation between two courses, but still I would lose the money. And for all these things, it's okay, but for free, that is a problem. And which is the best institute in Hyderabad for SEO course, your ad is appearing. That is no problem. But free, there is a problem. So that is the reason when somebody is searching SEO course download or SEO course PDF, SEO course brochure, these kind of things also, your advertisement will appear. Unnecessarily, you'll be losing your amount. So that is the reason never ever go for broad match. This is about broad match. You are targeting a particular keyword, and for every keyword, whatever the person is searching, most of the keywords, 99% your advertisement is going to appear, and you will be losing money. So never ever go for broad match. There is a problem with free. Otherwise, everything is okay, but there is a problem with free, right? We will solve the problem of free later. Now coming to the second match, that is phrase match. What exactly is phrase match? If it is broad match, you have to mention like this, whatever the keyword is there, like that only you have to mention. But if it is phrase match, you have to mention the keyword in phrases. Did I take anywhere? Did I mention phrases? Whatever the campaigns we have created, did I anywhere I have not mentioned the phrases? Because by default, that was the only option. That is the reason I have not mentioned. Now, what exactly is phrase match? Now you have targeted keywords, right? For all the campaigns, you have targeted two keywords for SEO, Google Ads, and everything. At that time, by default, Google will take broad match, I said, right? Instead of broad match, if you want to go to phrase match, then mention phrases like this. Write the keyword in between and two phrases, starting and ending. Then it will become a phrase match. What is a phrase match? Phrase match is nothing but do not disturb its pattern. SEO courses in Hyderabad. Assume that this is SEO courses in Hyderabad. Do not disturb your pattern. If somebody has searched for a keyword without disturbing your keyword pattern, then only your ad will appear. Now, SEO courses in Hyderabad is there. Will my advertisement, now this is my targeted keyword called SEO course in Hyderabad, and somebody has searched SEO course in Hyderabad. Obviously, my ad will appear because they have not disturbed my pattern. Everything is same. SEO courses in Hyderabad. Everything is same. Now coming to SEO training in Hyderabad. Will my advertisement appear? My advertisement will not appear. Again, if you want to target this particular keyword, again you have to take like this called, again phrases, SEO training in Hyderabad. Then only your advertisement will appear. Then only your advertisement is going to appear. Now, this is my targeted keyword called SEO course in Hyderabad. And somebody has searched SEO course Hyderabad. Will my ad appear? No, because they have disturbed the pattern. SEO course in Hyderabad is my pattern, but they have not mentioned in, right? So they have disturbed the pattern. My ad will not appear. Now coming to best SEO course in Hyderabad. Will my advertisement appear or not? Did they disturb my pattern or not? Anybody? My pattern is SEO course in Hyderabad. Phrase match is nothing but do not disturb the pattern. Without disturbing the pattern, if a person is searching for a keyword, then my advertisement will appear. Now, this is my targeted keyword. Somebody has searched best SEO course in Hyderabad. Will my ad appear to that person or not? Did they disturb the pattern over there? Anita, did they disturb the pattern? SEO course in Hyderabad?
No.
They did not disturb the pattern. SEO course in Hyderabad. Everything is same. Whatever the pattern I have given, that is only there over there. But what they did, they have added something before my pattern. So in phrase match, the user can add anything before or anything after the keyword, but he should not jumble your, that means he should not disturb your pattern. That is only called phrase match. You can add anything before your pattern or anything after your pattern, but do not disturb the pattern. Your pattern should be exactly same. Now SEO course in Hyderabad, still somebody searches for best SEO course in Hyderabad, my advertisement will appear. So that is good thing only, right? You have targeted only one keyword. You have targeted only one keyword. For SEO courses in Hyderabad, you are appearing. For best SEO course in Hyderabad also, you are appearing. That means somebody searches SEO course or best SEO course. For both the things, your ad is appearing because they have not disturbed the pattern. SEO course in Hyderabad. This is the thing I have given, and they have also written that particular thing. But the only difference is they have added something before, or they can add something after also. No problem. They can add before or after, but do not disturb the pattern. When they did not disturb the pattern, your advertisement will appear. Now, I have targeted a keyword called SEO course in Hyderabad, and somebody is searching for free SEO course in Hyderabad. Again, a problem has appeared. They have not disturbed the pattern. Technically, again, my advertisement is going to appear for a person who has searched for a keyword called free SEO course in Hyderabad. Because my keyword is SEO course in Hyderabad. That is the one I have targeted. And what I told, what is a phrase match? You can write anything before or after the keyword, but you should not disturb the keyword. I said that means you should not disturb the pattern. This person did not disturb my pattern. Did he disturb my pattern? SEO course in Hyderabad. Everything is similar. But according to the phrase match rule, anybody can add anything before or after. Then your advertisement will appear. So for free also, your advertisement is going to appear. That is a problem with phrase match. The same one. Again, for SEO course in Hyderabad, there is no chance because format has been changed, pattern has been changed. Then which is the best institute in Hyderabad for SEO course? 100% it is not going to appear because there is no link between the pattern and this particular keyword. So phrase match is nothing but you have to mention your keyword in phrases. By default, Google will take broad match. You have to mention it in phrases. And anybody can add anything before or after your keyword. If they add anything before or after your keyword, then also your advertisement will appear. For best or top SEO course, there is no problem. But when somebody is searching for free SEO course in Hyderabad, then only problem arises. So let's solve this problem later. This is about phrase match. Then there is one more match called exact match. Exact match. What exactly happens in exact match? Here, when you are using exact match, you have to mention your keywords like this. Take these kind of brackets and you have to mention SEO course in Hyderabad. Again, close it. Like this, you have to take the keywords. For phrase match, use phrases, and for exact match, use the brackets. Now, Exact match is nothing but everything should be exact. It should be exact. No before, no after. Everything should be exact. Do not add anything before, do not add anything after. Phrase match is just opposite of exact match. And exact match is just opposite of phrase match. SEO course in Hyderabad. This is my targeted keywords. That means I have used brackets and I have mentioned the keyword called SEO course in Hyderabad. Now, SEO courses in Hyderabad. As Google follows semantic algorithm, that is not the issue. So my advertisement will appear. Now, SEO training in Hyderabad, my advertisement is not going to appear. For SEO course in Hyderabad, my advertisement is not going to appear. Best SEO course in Hyderabad, my advertisement is not going to appear. Free SEO course in Hyderabad, my advertisement is not going to appear. So in exact match, there is no problem of free PDF, these kind of things. And for SAP, it is not going to appear. For which is the best institute in Hyderabad for SEO also, my advertisement is not going to appear. Now, if you want to target all these keywords, you have to mention each and every keyword. There is a lot of headache in exact match. It is one of the good match, but the thing is you have to do lots and lots of hard work. If you use phrase match, only you might be entering some 5 to 10 keywords. But if you use exact match, you have to enter hundreds of keywords because you have to target exact keyword, right? For SEO course in Hyderabad, if somebody wants to see your ad, that means if you want somebody to see your ad, you have to mention SEO course in Hyderabad. Again, SEO training in Hyderabad. Again, best SEO in Hyderabad, top SEO in Hyderabad. Like this, n number of keywords you have to mention because it is an exact match. Exactly, you have to mention like this. Again, take brackets. Again, SEO training in Hyderabad. Like this, you have to mention for each and every keyword. You have to mention like this. Now, SEO course in Hyderabad. For this keyword satisfied. Again, somebody is searching SEO training in Hyderabad. If I target this keyword also, then only for this particular, when somebody is searching SEO training in Hyderabad, then only my advertisement is going to appear. If I don't mention this keyword called SEO training in Hyderabad in brackets, if somebody search SEO training in Hyderabad like this, then also my advertisement is not going to appear. So it is lost to the advertiser. That is the reason whenever you use exact match, you have to mention each and every keyword. That is the hard work you have to do with exact match. Do not add anything before or do not add anything after. See, for best also your advertisement is not going to appear because it is not a phrase match. Only for phrase match, if anybody adds before or after anything, then only my advertisement will appear. But exact match is not like that. Exact match, do not add anything before or after. It should be exact. That is the reason if you want your advertisement to appear for best, your best, right? So your advertisement should appear for best SEO course in Hyderabad also. Then again, target the keyword called best SEO course in Hyderabad. Like this, you have to target. There is lots and lots of hard work in exact match because you are using n number of keywords over here. And coming to the next match, which is broad match modifier. Broad match modifier. What exactly is broad match modifier? For phrase match, you have to take the quotation, that is phrases. For exact match, brackets. For broad match modifier, you have to use plus symbol. Like this, you have to use plus SEO plus course plus Hyderabad. Like this, you have to mention. At least use 3 words over here. Don't use the combination of 2 words. That does not make sense. At least use 3 words over here. Now, what is broad match modifier? Like this, you have to mention the keywords you are targeting. Now, SEO course Hyderabad is there, right? Now, SEO courses in Hyderabad. Here, format does not matter. The pattern does not matter in broad match modifier. All the 3 keywords should be mentioned in the one which people are searching. Pattern does not matter. Best can be anywhere, in can be anywhere, free can be anywhere. But all the 3 things should be appearing in the keyword the user has searched for. Now, SEO course Hyderabad. This is a keyword I have targeted. Now, let's see SEO course Hyderabad, whether these 3 words are present over here or not. SEO is there, course is there, Hyderabad is there. Okay, my ad will appear. Here SEO is there, Hyderabad is there, but course is not there. So my advertisement is not going to appear. Then SEO course Hyderabad, obviously it is going to appear. Again, best SEO course in Hyderabad, it is going to appear because I told pattern does not matter. Pattern can be anything. It is not like phrase match where pattern is mandatory. Here pattern is not mandatory. But the thing is, it should be 100% these 3 words should be present in the keyword. Now, free SEO course in Hyderabad. Again, the problem arises over here. That is, again, for free also, my advertisement is going to appear. Now, SAP course in Hyderabad, obviously it's not going to appear. Which is the best institute for Hyderabad for SEO course? SEO is there, course is there, Hyderabad is there. Broad match modifier is good for the people who are experts in Google Ads. And it is for the ones who want to target long tail keywords. Now, this is known as long tail keyword, which is the best institute in Hyderabad for SEO course. So if you want to target long tail keywords, then it is really good for them. But otherwise, as a newcomer or as a fresher in Google Ads, never go for broad match modifier, because you'll not understand unless you'll be losing money. If any expert is there, 100% those experts will go for broad match modifier only. But as a fresher, always go for phrase match or exact match also, for that matter, no problem. But the thing is, exact match, there is lots and lots of hard work. But if you go for phrase match, if you use one keyword, n number of keywords you are covering. Best you are covering SEO course in Hyderabad, for students you are covering. Like this, you can cover a number of keywords if you go for phrase match. That is a profit of phrase match. Now, I told you there is a problem with the keyword called free. How to solve that problem? To solve that problem, there is another match type called negative match. Negative match. What is a negative match? Now, free SEO course in Hyderabad, 100% my ad should not appear for that keyword, because when somebody clicks, I will be losing money. So at that time, what you can do is, you can take that word called free and you can turn it into negative keyword. That means, even if you use phrase match, suppose you have used the phrase match called SEO course in Hyderabad and somebody has searched free SEO course in Hyderabad. Technically, for free SEO course in Hyderabad also, your advertisement should appear. But if you take this free keyword and turn it into a negative keyword, then even if somebody searches for free SEO course in Hyderabad, then also your advertisement will not appear. I'll show you how to take a particular word and turn it into a negative keyword. So the best combination of the match types is always, as a newcomer, go for phrase match and negative match. The combination of phrase match and negative match is a really good one. You target from some keywords, that is phrase match keywords. Then if any unnecessary keywords are there, unnecessary keywords like free SEO course or SEO course PDF, these kind of things, PDF, download, take these words, PDF, download, free, this kind of words, take these words and turn them into a negative keyword. Then even though you have chosen phrase match, still your advertisement will not appear to those people who are searching for those terms like free, download, PDF and all. So this is about keyword match types. Keywords in SEO also it is important, in Google Ads also it is important. Everywhere keywords is only important. In Google Ads, if you understand the bidding and if you understand the keywords, then everything is easy. Anybody can run campaigns. The most important thing is you have to understand the keywords. Keyword match types. One more time, I'll just cover it. Broad match. Now assume that this is the keyword I have targeted, SEO course in Hyderabad. If it is a broad match, that means you have not given any phrases or you have not given any brackets or you have not given any plus symbols also. Then automatically without anything, that means without any symbols, it will become a broad match only. By default, when we have created campaigns also, you have seen over there, what did it become? It was broad match only, because by default, Google will take broad match to take more money from the advertisers. Now, if it is a broad match and if you target this particular keyword called SEO course in Hyderabad, and when somebody is searching SEO courses in Hyderabad, your advertisement will appear. Just concentrate, guys. One more time, I'm telling. When somebody is searching SEO course in Hyderabad, and if it is a broad match, when I have targeted a keyword called SEO course in Hyderabad and it is a broad match because I have not used any symbols, and some XYZ person is searching SEO courses in Hyderabad, my advertisement will appear. If somebody is searching SEO training in Hyderabad also, my advertisement is going to appear because it is a broad match. Even if one word matches also, Google is going to showcase your advertisement. And that one, and for relevant things only, Google is showing to showcase your advertisement. Now now you have targeted SEO course in Hyderabad. Now somebody will search for Linux like cloud computing courses in Hyderabad. At that time your advertisement will not appear. Don't worry, that much of thing is not there. The thing is, something related to SEO people are searching, then only your advertisement will appear. Now just because I have told, even if one word matches, don't think that Linux course, like cloud computing course in Hyderabad, course is there, in is there, Hyderabad is there, only cloud computing is not matching. Don't think like that. That keyword should be relevant to SEO, something closer to SEO, if somebody is using digital, suppose I have targeted digital marketing, then something close to digital marketing, such as Google Ads, SEO, online marketing, email marketing. But these kind of keywords, MAD will appear. So now for SEO course in Hyderabad, if I'm choosing a particular broad match, then for courses, SEO courses in Hyderabad, my ad is going to appear because of semantic algorithm. Singulars and plurals, Google will not mind. And spelling mistakes also Google will not mind, because everybody will not be perfect in it. So Google will not mind spelling mistakes. Even if somebody is searching with a spelling mistake, still your advertisement is going to appear. And web designing, website designing, as I've already told you, even if you choose website designing and if somebody is searching web design, still your advertisement is going to appear. Singular and plural also. Even if you are choosing a keyword called course and somebody is searching courses, still your advertisement is going to appear. So this is known as semantic algorithm. Now, SEO course Hyderabad. For this also your advertisement is going to appear because it is a broad match. For best it is going to appear. For free also it is going to appear. For SAP, earlier it would appear, as I have already told you, SEO and cloud computing, no relation. But before, earlier, for cloud computing also my advertisement would appear. But now they have removed those kind of things. Only some related keywords will be there. For those keywords only your advertisement will be appearing. Now, which is the best institute in Hyderabad for SEO course? For this also your advertisement will appear. Broad match, only very, very, very big companies will go for broad match. Do not go for broad match. Unnecessarily, you'll be losing your money. By default, Google will take broad match, but be smart enough to use phrase match or exact match and a negative match. Broad match modifier you can use, but as a fresher, I do not recommend broad match modifier. People, very, very experienced people who have years of experience in Google Ads, they will only go for broad match. Modifier I'm talking about, not broad match. Now coming to phrase match. Anybody can add anything before the keyword or after the keyword. The only thing is they should not disturb my pattern. Everything should be same. Anything add or anything add before or after, nothing will happen. Still your advertisement is going to appear. So like this, with one keyword, you can cover n number of keywords. For n number of keywords, your advertisement is going to appear. So hard work will be less when compared to exact match. Now SEO course in Hyderabad. Obviously, my advertisement is going to appear for SEO courses in Hyderabad, and SEO course in Hyderabad, my advertisement is not going to appear because they have disturbed my pattern. Your course is not there, training is there. So my advertisement will not appear. At that time, again, take one more keyword called SEO training in Hyderabad. Take the quotation, again SEO training in Hyderabad. So for this keyword, my advertisement is going to appear. Now, SEO course in Hyderabad, this is my targeted keyword, and somebody searched SEO course Hyderabad. So my keyword is not going to appear because they have disturbed my pattern. Now, best SEO course in Hyderabad, they have not disturbed my pattern. Everything is same. SEO course in Hyderabad, everything is same. But they have added something before, or they can add something after the keyword also, no problem. Still my advertisement is going to appear. So for best SEO course in Hyderabad also, if I choose a phrase match, then my advertisement is going to appear. But the problem is with the free SEO course in Hyderabad. For free SEO course also, my advertisement is going to appear. At that time, what I told you, go for negative match. For whichever the words you don't want your ad to appear, take those keywords, take those words and turn them into a negative keyword. That means even if you use phrase match and somebody is searching for free SEO course in Hyderabad, even then your advertisement is not going to appear. Like this, you have to save money directly. Just because I told phrase match is a good one for the freshers, don't directly go for phrase match. With phrase match, use this combination of negative match also. Phrase match and negative match is a good combination as a fresher. Now for SAP course, it is not going to appear because they have disturbed the pattern, and for which is the best one also, it is not going to appear. This is phrase match. Coming to the exact match. Do not add anything before or after. It should be exact. That is the reason the hard work in exact match is really more when compared to the other matches, because you have to mention each and every keyword. very small companies who have budget issues, these kind of people go for exact match. But the thing is, you have to mention so many keywords. That is the only problem. Because very small companies, when they have budget issues, they want for particular keyword only, they want if they do not want to take any risk at that time, for a particular keyword only, if they want the ad to appear, they have to go for exact match and mention each and every keyword. Digital marketing course in Hyderabad, digital marketing training in Hyderabad, best digital marketing course in Hyderabad, best digital marketing training in Hyderabad, top digital marketing course in Hyderabad, top digital marketing training in Hyderabad. Like this, for every keyword, you have to mention every keyword if you use exact match. Very, very small companies who have really budget issues, really high budget issues, they will go for exact match. But that much hard work is not required. Phrase match and negative match is enough, a combination of both. Now coming to broad match modifier. You have to mention like this, plus, plus, plus. Here format does not matter. That means the pattern does not matter. You can disturb the pattern. That means the user can disturb the pattern. The only thing is these three words, whichever the words, at least use three words over here. Two words does not make sense. At least use three words, and these three words should be present in the keyword which user has searched for. The pattern does not matter. SEO course Hyderabad. So obviously it is appearing for this keyword. SEO training in Hyderabad, it's not going to appear because course is not there. And SEO course Hyderabad is going to appear. Best SEO course in Hyderabad is going to appear. Free SEO course in Hyderabad also is going to appear because all the three words are there. But SAP course, it's not going to appear. It is broad match modifier is good for long tail keywords again, which is the best institute for Hyderabad for SEO course. Technically for this also, phrase match should appear, but it is not appearing because it is different because they have disturbed the pattern. It is not appearing. So broad match modifier is good for very big keywords, which is the best institute in Hyderabad for SEO course. SEO is there, course is there, Hyderabad is there. So this is about broad match. Broad match, disturb the pattern, nothing will happen. All the words which you have mentioned, that means all the keywords should be present in the keyword which user has searched for. Exact match, it should be exact. Phrase match, pattern should be exact. That means do not disturb the pattern, add anything before or add anything after, my advertisement will appear to you. Broad match, even if one word matches, my advertisement is going to appear. But do not think just because I told you one word matches, that does not mean you have targeted a keyword called SEO course in Hyderabad and somebody is searching cloud computing in Hyderabad. No, your advertisement will not appear like that. Something relevant to SEO, then only something closer to SEO, synonyms of SEO, then only my advertisement is going to appear. Now, if I have chosen digital marketing course in Hyderabad as my targeted keyword, then for online marketing, for affiliate marketing, for these kind of things, my advertisement is going to appear. So this is about keyword match types: broad match, phrase match, exact match, broad match modifier, and negative match. As a newcomer, use a combination of phrase match and negative match. That is the best combination as of now. Many people go for phrase match and negative match only, because broad match, you'll be losing much amount. Very big companies who have really good budget, they have to go for broad match. If you have really less budget, then go for exact match and do lots of hard work over here. Then phrase match and negative match, that is the best combination. Go for phrase match and negative match. And broad match modifier is good for long tail keywords. So phrase match, exact, broad match modifier, and broad match and negative match. This is about keyword match types. And you have to understand these keywords match types and do not directly, like, because Google shows in default, you have to not mention directly broad match. That is wrong. Don't go like that. So this is about keyword match types. Any doubts in keyword match types? Broad match, phrase match, exact. This is important topic, guys. This is important topic. By default, don't go for broad match. Always keep in mind that use phrases or use brackets or use plus symbols. So you have to use that. Google will not tell you to use those things. Google will tell you to go for broad match only because they will get more amount. So this is about keyword match types. Now coming to the next topic of our class, extensions. This is simple topic only. Now let's search for any keyword. Okay, here some extensions are there. Now see, digital marketing training in Hyderabad. This is his title and this is his description. Here also this is his title and this is his description. Many times, 90% of the times we think that somebody is going to click on the first advertisement only. It is true. Many times people are going to click on the first advertisement only. But your ad copy is most important while you create your advertisements. Now see, Digital Marketing Training Hyderabad, best institute in Hyderabad. Digital Marketing Agency, best SEO company Hyderabad. Digital Marketing course, 100% placement assistance. Now, if a student is there, if a student, just a graduated student who is out of his college, on which advertisement is going to click? Is going to click on this particular advertisement because they are clearly mentioning that 100% placements as placement assistance. So your ad copy is the most important thing whenever you are running your advertisement. By seeing your ad copy only, people are going to click on your advertisement. Blindly, see, 90% are going to click on first one, but blindly, nobody is going to click just like that. They will see the titles also. If a student is there, 100% he will search for this. So your ad copy is the most important one. Now, you guys already know how to give title and how to give description. But what is this thing then? Attend online demo, read your reviews. These kind of additional links, see, he's giving some link over here. Link. If I click over here, I'll be landing to their website. So this is one of the extension. Now, can you see the phone number over here? They are giving some phone number. So this is also one of the extension. And now see, by default, how many descriptions can you give? 2 you can give. If you want to give more, then you can give 4. If you observe, some people will be giving more than 2 or more than 4 descriptions also. He has given how many? I don't know. 1, 2, 3, 4. They have given just 4, but some people will be giving more than 4 descriptions also. So how to give extra additional description we will be seeing. And what else? Yeah, these kind of things are known as extensions. Now, how to add extensions? You know how to add a headline and how to add a description, but how to add extension, that means additional informations and all you don't know. So how to create an extension, we will see now. Let's log into our account. So this is the one which we have created today, I guess. Yeah, this is the one which we have created today. Click on new campaign. Okay, again, no need to create again. We have already have here, right? So see, there's an option called ads and extensions. See, if you observe when you are creating ad group for Hyderabad and Chennai, there was also an option called extension. That means separately when you are creating a campaign, there also you can add extension. Otherwise, if you don't want to do lots of hard work, there is one more option called ads and extension, which is going to appear on dashboard. Directly click on this particular thing. No need to do for campaign level and everything. Ads and extension, then click on extensions. Then here Sitelink is there, callout is there, structure snippet is there. So if you want to add one more extension, suppose I want to add call extension, then I'll be adding call extension. So see, call extension. See, there are 4 types of extension which we are going to learn today. So the first one is Sitelink extension. What exactly is Sitelink? I have already shown you what exactly is Sitelink. Somebody is searching, then some links are appearing. Directly they'll land to that particular page of that particular website. How to give these kind of links you are going to learn in Sitelink extension. That's it. Shall we create a new campaign or shall we do it over here? Okay, let's create a new campaign. Search network. He's asking campaign name over here only. So let's give. Continue. See, I told you sometimes your interface will change. I told you, right? See, here when we were creating advertisement, that is day before yesterday, and when we have created at the starting of the class also, the interface was different. These kind of things were not appearing. So sometimes time to time, person to person, the interface of the Google Ads will change. You have to follow that interface only. How to bring back that kind of interface means it will not happen. You have to just follow this thing only. Here the interface is different. So here the interface is different. Sometimes Google Ads is their tool. They will change the tool according to their wish. Sometimes it will appear in one way, sometimes it is going to appear in another way, but no problem. However, in different ways, no matter how many different ways it's going to appear, the options will be same. So just according to the options, you just concentrate. When we have created day before yesterday, the interface was totally different, but today it is totally different. Now set your average daily budget for this campaign. So I'm just giving some my daily budget over here. What do you want to focus on? By default, see, you can click over here and set the maximum cost per click, no problem. But the thing is, sometimes, in the earlier times, Google would show manual bidding over here. That is the reason the better option is go over here and choose the maximize click option. As of now, I'm giving some maximum CPC bid limit. Okay, then click on next. Then I have to change. See, everything will be changed. The only pattern is different. The way you see, that is the only difference. Then I have to choose the enter another location. Target. Then languages. Then click on next. See, our budget and bidding is done. Campaign setting is done. Keywords. We are in the keywords level. That means in the ad group level and all. So enter some keywords over here. By default, if I take like this, then it will become a broad match because I'm not adding anything over here. So it is becoming a broad match, not a broad match modifier, normal broad match. So don't mention like this. Google will take more money. If you want to give the ad group name, you have to give the ad group name. So I'm giving the ad group name as SEO. See, the look completely changed. You have to also change like that. According to the look, you have to do the settings. Now SEO courses in Hyderabad. As of now, I'm taking broad match only because in tomorrow, there will be a topic called keyword planner. So which keyword you should take, what should be the maximum CPC, everything you'll be learning tomorrow. So SEO courses in Hyderabad, SEO training in Hyderabad. So as of now, I'm targeting these keywords. Now, advertisement is telling. So let me copy the URL and come back over here and give the URL. Then okay, I'll only give some headlines. Make sure every word starting letter is capital. As of now, I'm not giving. Okay, as of now, I've given 4 combinations for the headlines, and you can give some descriptions. So this is how my advertisement is going to appear. If you want to add more descriptions, you can just add more descriptions. That's it. Then click on next. If you want to create another ad group, I have only created for SEO, right? I have only created for SEO. If you want to create for another ad group, then you can just create for another ad group. As of now, for SEO, we have done. It's enough. Now click on next. Here comes the extension. See Sitelink. Then if you want to add more extensions, you can click on more extensions. Call out is there, call is there. Now today we will learn 4 extensions. Those four extensions are enough. No need to go for many more extensions. So here in Sitelink extension, you have to give the link text. That means here what they have given the link text. Attend online demo. That is their link text. Read our reviews. That is also their link text. So here give some link text over here. Whatever you want it to appear on SERP, you should give that link text. So as of now, I'm giving SEO as my, okay, what is there in yours? I'll take the link of cloud computing and I'll give the link text as SEO. And if you want to give the description about SEO, please give some description about SEO. It's up to you, whatever description you want to give. you can give the description over here. Again, 100% placement. Description in the sense, whichever it is appearing over here, just up over here. See, this is the link text and they are describing something over here. Link text description. So again, come back over here and give some description. And whatever the description you are giving, will not appear on SCRP. But why it is appearing over here? Only if your advertisement ranks on the first position, then only your link text, under link text description is going to appear. Otherwise, if suppose same advertisement is in second position, let's assume, your link text might appear, but your description of the link text will not appear. Only if it is only for the first rank holders only this description will appear. For others, it will not going to appear. It is not going to appear. So 100% placement guarantee I have given. Then I'll be giving some whatever. Okay, best SEO course. Now, whatever the code I have copied, that is the URL of cloud computing, I'll be giving it over here. Let's assume this is cloud SEO page. Then for site link 2, again, this is one site link and one more site link I want to give. So for other site link, I'll be giving some DevOps URL. Again, copy the URL. Why to give site links is, see, generally what is happening, if they click over here, they'll directly land to the website. But if they click over here, they'll land to the demo page. If they click over here, they'll land to the review page. So if they click on SEO, they'll land to direct SEO page. If they click on the Google Ads, they'll be directly landing into Google Ads page. That is the only difference. No need to give. It is not mandatory to give site links and all. But the thing is, your advertisement length will increase. That is the only thing. Now for here, I'll be writing SMM, that is social media marketing. Then over here, I'll give DevOps URL. Then description line, I should give some description line. So learn social media skills. Increase your sales. This is the description I want to give. Now here I have given only 2 site links. Here this person has also given only 2. If you want to give more, then you can give more. See, site link 3 is there, site link 4 is there. It's up to you. If you want to give more, again add site link. So as of now, let's give one more site link. What is search engine marketing? Search engine marketing is nothing but Google Ads. In the starting class of Google Ads, I have told you. SEO is different, SEM is different. SEO is optimization, SEM is marketing. Learn the art of ads. Then coming to description line 2, become PPC expert. Okay, then again I have to give some link. Let's assume this is our Google Ads page. Copy it, come back over here and give the link. Then site link 4. Site link 4, I will be giving email marketing. Email marketing, then get more sales. Okay, here also I should give some URL, right? So let me give some URL. Assume that this is email marketing page, then give URL. No need to give these many site links, but just I have given. Now coming to, see, all the 4 site links, whatever I have given. Email marketing, under email marketing, this is the description. Now SEM, this is the description. SMM, this is the description. SEO, this is the description. So all the descriptions you can see over here. For SEO also we have given some description. So all the descriptions you can just see over there. Now coming to which, if you want to see the preview, then you can see the preview. This is how it is going to appear. Headline 1, headline 2, description and all. If they click on SEO, they will directly go to the SEO page. If they click on SMM, they will directly go to the SMM page. Now coming to, if you want to add new site link, then you can add. Now coming to call out description. Call out description is nothing but already you have given title and description for your advertisement, but you want to give extra information, then you have to go for call out description. Now see, add new call out extension. So give some additional description over here. This is call out description. So I'm giving it as 100% placement guarantee. Whatever you could not mention it in the description, you have to mention it over here. As of now, I'm giving the same one. Work on live projects, then 24/7 lab facility, internship provided. I have given the title and description already, but I'm just giving additional information. Just like that, I have to give additional information. That's it. Then click on save. And what all you have given, you can see it over here. Then if you want to see the preview, see. Headline will be there, your description will be there. Other than your description, some additional information, some additional description. That is only call out extension. Then coming to call extension. What is call extension? Simply add your mobile number. That's it. Other than that, nothing is there in call extension. So that when somebody sees your advertisement, they will directly call to you. Save. Preview. See, my phone number is appearing. That's it. Now coming to one more extension is there called structured snippet. That one extension we will see, and after that it's okay. These all extensions are not required. So structured snippet extension. Structured snippet extension, same like your call out extension. What exactly you are doing in your call out extension? You are giving additional information, that is additional description. Structured snippet is also additional information, but the thing is there will be a structure to this description. That is the reason its name is structured snippet. Now we have to choose. Now suppose you are providing some services, some XYZ services. So use courses. If somebody is into hotels, then we have to use featured hotels. If somebody is into some programs or insurance and everything, they can choose according to their wish. As of now, I'm choosing courses. Then what courses you are providing, you have to mention over here. This is just additional. This is also a description, but description with some structure in it. That's it. That is only known as structure snippet description. Now here values are there, right? So I'll be providing, right? I'm providing some affiliate marketing. Then I'll be providing some blogging skills. I'll be writing. Then I'll be writing, I'm providing some email marketing. If you want to add more, you can just click on add value and you can add more. So choose any structure, whatever the structure you are mentioning about, choose that structure. If you are choosing amenities, if you're, suppose you have any hotel and all, you can choose all these things. Brands, then you can choose brands. If you're into insurance, then you can choose insurance. But you are providing some services, then go for courses. That means any educational services, then go for courses. Then courses, under courses, what courses you are providing? Affiliate marketing, blogging skills, email marketing. That's it. Click on next. Now this is the campaign. Let's publish our campaign. Publish. That's it. Now see. This is our ad group. Click on ad group. Then you will see the keyword level data. What are all the keywords you have mentioned, you will be seeing over here. That's it. Then if you want to see ads, then you can see the ads also over here. Click on ad. Then you're going over here. Then if you want to see the extensions, see, Best SEO course in Hyderabad, 100% placement guarantee. Learn from your, all these things you can see. And all the extensions also you can see over here. See call extension, this is the one we have given. And everything you can see over here in the extension part. My title, my description, and I have given some extensions also. That's it. Keyword match types, that means how to, keyword planner, there is a different topic. You already know what is keyword match types, but which keywords to use and what type of keywords you should use, you know, but which keywords to use, you'll learn tomorrow with the help of keyword planner. So as of now, just create a Google Ads account and run any campaign normally without paying any money. Just create any campaign and come and try for ads and extensions and try to add some extensions and keywords and everything. That's it. And one more thing, see, this is a keyword, right? Now I want free should be a negative keyword. That means if somebody searches for a keyword, so for a keyword like free SEO course in Hyderabad, my ad should not appear. Then just go into negative keywords and add negative keywords. Add a keyword called free. Add a keyword called PDF. Add a keyword called download. Then when somebody is using these words, your ad will not appear for these kind of words. So you will not be losing your money. That's it. Save. So now when somebody uses these words for my advertisement, that means when somebody uses these words, my advertisement is not going to appear. That's it. So use the combination of phrase match and negative match. This is how you have to add the negative keywords. Now I'll show you one campaign, how we have added the keywords you see. Kurnool camp, yeah. Okay. This is about cabs in Kurnool. There was a website. Okay, now go into keywords, then search keywords, then cabs in Kurnool, search terms. Now, all time. See, it was showing me only 2 days data. That is the reason there was nothing over here. So what I did, I just went over here and changed the date to all time so that I can see the all time data. That's it. Now, see, I have targeted a keyword called cabs in Kurnool. This was my keyword. Now in search terms, I'm in search terms. That means how people are seeing your keyword, you can see over here. Cabs in Kurnool. This is what they were searching. Okay, good. Ola cabs in Kurnool. I have started a service called cabs in Kurnool. That means I am also I have also started a same thing like Ola and Uber. Why should somebody, if somebody is searching for Ola cabs in Kurnool, why should my advertisement appear? I'm losing money over there, right? Somebody is searching Ola and my advertisement is appearing. So they are clicking on my advertisement and they'll see that is not Ola. I'll be losing my money. So what we have did, simply we have selected this and we have turned it as add as a negative keyword. You can turn this particular keyword as add as a negative keyword like this, or same like what I have told now, free and all, how we have done, just go into negative keywords and you can add it over here. See all the negative keywords, whatever you want to add, you can add it over here. It's up to you. However you want, you can do it. Now add cabs in Kurnool. This was a keyword we have targeted. See how people are searching. Uber cabs in Kurnool, people are searching. Taxi service in Kurnool, people are searching. Now see, my keyword is cabs in Kurnool, but somebody is searching cab in Kurnool, but still my advertisement will appear because of semantic algorithm, my advertisement is going to appear. So singular and plural does not matter. Now see the spelling over here. Services. SARVICES is a services spelling, but somebody is searching SARVICES. No matter if they have done a spelling mistake, still my advertisement is going to appear. Google will adjust all those things. No need to worry about these things. If my advertisement is going to appear or not, how a person is going to search. So if you want to see how people are going to search for a particular advertisement, then you can just click on search terms. Then you can see how people are searching. They are searching in this way and all these things. And if you want to see what keywords we have turned negative, see, download, we have made it negative because we don't want somebody to see like somebody searching for download. I don't want my ad to appear. So download, we have made it as negative keyword, and free we have made it as negative keyword, PDF we have made it as negative keyword, train we have made it as negative keyword, and Uber also we have made it as negative keyword. Like this, you have to make it as negative keyword. Like this, directly you can go over here and add it, but otherwise there is one more option called go into search keywords and see how people are searching. If you don't want for that keyword your advertisement to appear, just click on it and just click on this particular keyword and turn it into a negative keyword. Then that for that keyword, my advertisement is not going to appear. This is how we have to mark your negative keywords. So what we have learned today, we have learned keyword match types. We have learned extensions. Extensions is simple. You can also do it extensions. No need to worry about extensions. Just concentrate on keyword match types. Extensions, just by saying what to do over there, you'll figure out what to do. No need to worry about extensions. But the only thing is concentrate on match types, keyword match types. What is broad match? What is broad match modifier? Concentrate on all this. And come tomorrow, please create a Google Ads account and try to run a campaign. Then only start creating campaigns. Don't add budget. Simply just you start creating campaigns. After that, you can go for live campaigns. So as of now, create a Google Ads account and come tomorrow. That's it. We'll meet tomorrow. We'll meet tomorrow, guys. Thank you.